Hey y'all, it's Haleigh. The holidays are about generosity and connection. So this month we're sharing simple ways to spread kindness in your community. Helping elderly or disabled neighbors tidy their yards before winter or organizing a park or downtown cleanup creates an impact that everyone can see. Community projects like these don't just improve the places we live, they also build meaningful connections with neighbors. Small acts of kindness add up to a big impact. And that's what makes the community so special. For these tips and more, visit mycentric.org.